Wait, don't scroll. This transformation is fire. So this guy starts with a rough, messed up piece of wood, and watch what he turns it into. First, he cleans up the surface, getting rid of all imperfections. Then he measures everything super preciously. No guessing here. Now look at those cuts. Clean, smooth, and controlled. This way the magic starts. He puts everything together perfectly. No gaps, no mistakes. And just wait for this part. The sanding, this is what makes it look premium. And boom, the final finish. That shine, that smoothness, it's insane.